all of you are going to score at least 20 to 30 marks more than your CAT exam or your CAT mocks. That's my promise to you. ये बाबा जी का आपको आशीर्वाद है ऊपर से. बाबा जी मतलब ऊपर वाले God. Why? Because the mocks are very, very tough. I'll tell you a beautiful story of a girl. So she called me up after the CAT exam. Sir, I got 92 percentile and 4-5 IM calls. तो like तो फिर रो क्यों रही थी यार? You used to cry every day while preparing for the exam. So now you are getting the IM calls. Sir, actually I have never scored more than 70 percentile in the mocks, but on the exam day I got 92 percentile. If I would have known even once कि मेरा 90 पार हो सकता है, मैं जान लगा देती. अगर मॉक में एक बार भी मेरा 90 पार होता तो मैं जान लगा देती. That day I realized कि yes, what she said is very important, that scoring good in the mocks is very, very important for our confidence. But unfortunately all the mock series are really very, very hard as compared to the actual CAT exam. Fine, all the main test series are way beyond the CAT level. Trust me guys. हमारे मॉक का लेवल भी थोड़ा सा हाई है, नो डाउट अबाउट दिस. अवर मॉक्स का लेवल इज स्लाइटली अबव कैट एग्जाम विच इज इंटेंशनली केप्ट. या सी घर पे बैठ के आराम से मॉक देना एंड वहाँ जाके प्रेशर मॉक देना तो ऑब्वियसली फर्क पड़ता है. इफ़ यू मेंटेन योर स्ट्रेस लेवल, इफ़ यू मेंटेन योर कॉन्फिडेंस, इफ़ यू आर कूल, understandable, same kind of performance the way you're giving in the mocks today, you will get at least 20 to 30 marks more than your actual mock scores. Why? Because number one is exam is going to be slightly more easier than the mock scores, than the mocks. Number two is the normalization. CAT always give you the scaled score, not the raw score. And out of the 2 lakh people who are giving the CAT exam, 1 lakh people are just going to go for time pass. Fine, like me. I'm just going to give the exam just to understand, absorb the paper, trying to understand what kind of questions are coming so that I can reproduce the question, I can reproduce the mocks, I can reproduce the classroom program according to that. So coming to the point, okay, don't worry about that. आपका score कम से कम 20-30 नंबर ज़्यादा आएगा ही आएगा. And that's how exactly I want you to think. Fine. So if you get 20-30 marks extra, where will you reach? How much improvement you can get? Just imagine that. और ये होगा. Trust me, most of you will get, unless you fumble that day. उस दिन fumble हो गया, उस दिन क्वेश्चन गलत कर दिया, then of course there is no, I couldn't solve a single DI set. Of course, then you are gone. Then you can't do anything. But for an average आम आदमी, the score will improve by 20 marks. So please factor in that for once. Of course, I don't want you to start over imagining or start getting too excited about 20 marks extra. But if you get 20 marks extra, you can see your percentile crossing at least 5 to 10 percentile more. I was getting 80 percentile, I can get 90. I was getting 85, I can get 95. And 95 percentile पे IM का call है. ठीक है. So don't worry about that. So we have few days remaining for the CAT exam. Just stay focused, stay hungry. All the best.